Hello viewers. Now we are going to discuss the how to create certificate in Google Slides. So in the present era, we have attended so many programs and conducted so many programs through online mode. In this way, how to send the certificates to the participants who are participated in the workshops, webinars, and the quiz programs. So with this purpose, we have to use the Google Slides and Canva and Google certificate templates. Also, we can take it and we can create your own certificates with the use of Google Slides and the Canva. Anything you, so many platforms are there to create your own certificate in the digital. So that's why I would like to share my knowledge on Google Slides to you. So that is first thing is how to enter into the Google Slides. So first there is three options are there: drive.google.com or slides.google.com, or if enter to Google Slides with use of your own Gmail account. Okay, this is the Gmail. The sign in before going to your account. You have to sign in. So after that, in the after sign in your Gmail account, you have the nine dots are there. If you click nine dots, it displays these are all our aspects are there in your account. So first we want to the go to the Google Slides, click the drive. Okay, this is your drive. Whatever files are there in your Gmail account, also those are all files are located in the drive. Next, after click the drive, you get the drive. This is your this is the drive. Okay, in this drive you have to click the new. Okay, after click new, you get these are a folder, file upload, upload, Google Docs, Google Sheets, Google Slides. Okay, we require the Google Slides for create the e-certificate. Okay, click on the Google Slides. Okay, after click on Google Slides, you get the untitled presentation. It's like a PowerPoint, a Microsoft PowerPoint. Okay, in this slides, this is the blank slide. It displays. This is the blank slide. Click to add title, click to subtitle. This is it like a same as the PowerPoint presentation. So in this we have the file, edit, view, insert, format, slide, arrange, tools, add-ons, help. So this is and save buttons and zoom, and this is a cursor button and text. This is the image. So if you have to insert the text, you have to click on the text box, and this is the image, whatever the logo image and your signature. If you want to insert the logo in this certificate, and if you want to insert the signature, you have to click this image. After the click this image but image option, you get the upload from your computer, photos, drive, link, whatever it may be, displays the. And this is for shapes, this is for lines, different lines are so there, curves means scribers, and so many types of lines also displayed. So these are all are the background, layout, themes, transition. So it's like look like a Microsoft presentation. This is the themes also. These are all of the themes. Black, so many types of designs also there. Whatever color you want, whatever things is you want, you can click on. These are all of the themes. So if you don't want this themes, you go to the Google template, Google certificate template. You have to choose it. Okay, I will show that certificate, how to create the Google. How to take the Google certificate template, certificate template, how we can insert in this area of untitled presentation. So next I would like to take this one. Okay, These are all are the, if you scroll the themes, you can see the so many colors of and so many different types of shapes you can see. Okay, and I would like to take the this theme. Okay, okay, I insert the theme in the empty or untitled presentation. So I add the theme, so with the use of the themes. Okay, this is the themes. Okay, I when I click on the themes, whatever you want the slides, you can click on that, you get it the design certificate templates, or the you have to type the anything. Okay, I want to take the purpose only the for certificate. Next, so in after you have to get the theme, and next you want to go to the text box. Okay, you have to take the text box. All default it is the text box is there. Okay, in this I typed my institution name and place, location name. So next I would like to change this the font style. This is the font style. This this is the increasing decreasing of the font, bold, italic, underline, and this one is the font color. And this is three dots. If you click these three dots, okay, these are all are the enables when you click the text box only. Okay, relate for the purpose of text box, if you can change the font style, if you can change the font size and underline and colors, and three dots is there. In the three dots you have the paragraphs, alignment, and line spacing. These are all are the displayed with the three dots. Okay, so I would like to change the font style, and you can change the any font style. And you, if you want to the increasing the font size, if you want to, you have to increase the font size also. Okay, this is the font style. Okay, these are all are the enable if you click the text box. Okay, next, in the certificate create, insert full name. This is the left brass and left and right process. In between these process you have to mention the full name and other identifiers in add and certify em only. Okay, these are all the left and right process. So other identifier means institution, in a designation, institution, place. These are all are the we can add in this other identifiers only in the add-on of certify em. Okay, and insert, this is the greater than symbols, open greater than symbols, less than symbols, greater than symbols. In between you have to add the full name, designation, institution, place. In autocrat add-on only, in autocrat add-on only. Okay, this is the main difference between the certify em and the add-on. Okay, you can use the right left brass and right brass in between the full name and other identifiers only. You cannot mention the designation, institution, place. Only you have to mention the other identifiers in between the brasses in certify em add-on for the certificate generation. In when we take the autocrat add-on, definitely you have to insert in your certificate letter less than and greater than symbols. In between you have to mention the full name, designation, institution, place. These are all are the compulsory you have to mention in the autocrat add-on. Okay, this is for your kind information. You have to remember when you will create your certificate for your webinars, workshops, and quiz programs. This is the main difference between the certify em add-on. If you mistake anything, it is the participants not get the correctly. Okay, after that design certificate. Oh, now I am going to the design the certificate. Okay, this is the, I insert the my institution name, and this is the info content. This is the body of the information. In that, this is to certify that the full name and other identifiers. Okay, and has participated the national level online webinar NEP 2020 organized by Department of Economics, UCAC Sardhamana University, Karimnagar, held on 25-26 August 2020. Okay, this is the whatever information you have required, that information is typed in this body of the information. Okay, in this I have used this certify M, certify M related to certify M, that is a left brass and right brass in between full name and other identifiers. In the other identifiers you get the participant get the designation and that institution name and place, state, country also it is mentioned in this certify M add-on. Okay, whatever the registration form you have insert, those are all are the displayed in this certificate. Okay, next this is the text box. Okay, already this text box I have already inserted with the in the untitled presentation, and now I want to one more text box for the convener, and type the convener name, and okay, so that's why I want to click the text box. Okay, I want to click the text box and click. After the click text box, I get the text box, and I now I typed convener, and my name is also there, and I would like to change the that font colors. Okay, now I change the font colors, and the three dots also there. I would like to uh, align the centerly, so that's why this is one is there. Okay, this is for the new text box. Another text box I would like to add and change the font colors and font sizes and bold, italic, whatever it may be, whatever style you require, you desire, you change that with the use of the this one: underline, italic, bold, font size, font style, three dots, alignment, line spacing. These are all are there, options are there, you can use it as per your interest. Next, okay, now I change red color. Okay, next now I like to add the signature, my signature, which is already in my computer is there. That's why up this click the image, or you will go to the insert menu. You click the insert menu, you have the options also there: text box, images, these are all are there, shapes, lines. Okay, now if you want to go to the insert and this bar, you have the image icon. In this you click the image, you get the upload from your computer. I click on that, and drive, photos, by URL, camera, whatever it may be, but my signature is in the upload from computer. That's why I click on the upload from computer. After click upload from computer, I get the I select whatever location is there, whether my signature desktop or the downloads are there. I click on that, i get the I get the signature. Okay, after removing background, I get the this type of signature, I got it. Okay, so this is this size also in decrease indent and increase indent also I use, and I text box is going decreased with insert in by above my name. Okay, this is the certificate. Okay, I would like to add the logo of my institutions. How I can uh, insert the logo. So that's why I would like to go to the okay, before that I would like to change my untitled in place of untitled presentation. I would like to add the certificate name. Okay, easily recognized webinar certificate. Okay, I click the webinar certificate. Okay, I insert the logo also with the use of the same as it is, where how we can insert the image option. We can go to the image and click the upload from computer. I already there my logo in my computer, that why I inserted. Okay, let's go and in image upload from computer and insert your image in this certificate. Okay, this is the certificate template. This some part is ready. Okay, now I going to change the background of my slide. Okay, this is the background of my logo, background of my logo. So how we can adjust the background logo in our certificate? Okay, go to the format options. Okay, and in we if we click the format option, we get the adjustments. Okay, in the adjustments, okay, again we have to we have to, this alert logo is there. Click the logo and control C and control V. Whenever which location is you are interested, I would like to interested to add the logo, background of logo middle of the certificate. So that's why I click the format option and go to the adjustment. In the go to the adjustment, transparency, brightness and contrast also there. Okay, in this I would like to go to the adjustments. The transparency is the main thing, transparency. Okay, this is the transparency. So this is a 80 75 is enough. Okay, after that you get this background of the logo in your middle of the certificate. After that you have to increase this the text box. Okay, how much of size you want, so that much to increase the this text box. This is the image box, sorry, this is the image box. So format option, adjustment, transparency, it's enough. Okay, if you want to insert, if you have the so many slides are there in your e-content making for the student purpose, you go to the that is view. We have in this menu we have the master is also there, so we will take the another class for that. Okay, this is for the only logo, how to insert logo and how to insert the logo for your slide background in the middle of the center of your certificate. Okay, format option, adjustment, transparency. Okay, is it clear? Okay, background logo. Okay, I adjust the logo background with the use of format options and adjustments. Okay, now finally I created this certificate for the participants who are attended and who are registered, who are fill the feedback form and to the convener of this program. So finally created the certificate in the Google Slides. Okay, this is the certificate creation using Google Slides. It's a very easily, if you want to, the whatever we listened the lectures and whatever they listened, this type of this type of digital contents, you must practice. After you get the knowledge and you get practical knowledge you get, and after that you implemented in your programs also. Thank you for your listening. I hope you got the knowledge on how to create certificate on Google Slides. Thank you.